PDP from Rivers to the national level, we are working together, and the governor is the leader of the PDP in Rivers State, and it is the policy of the PDP that every sitting governor is the leader of the party. So invariably, the governor of Rivers State is the leader of the PDP, and we came to visit with our leader and to assure him that we are 100% with him. We are together with him and call upon him to make PDP more strong and to call to the people of Rivers State to work with him, identify with him, and support him in providing dividend of democracy as he is doing to the good people of Rivers State.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. In Rivers State, and in a closed-door meeting with His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State. So I would like to know from you, sir, is there anything unique you can tell the world concerning this visit?
Well, these members of the NWC, the leader of the PDP in Rivers State and the Deputy Chairman PDP Governors Forum in person of Sir Sunday Udeh-Okoye, the Governor of Rivers State. This visit is part of the consultative meeting that the NWC is making to its leaders of the party, governors elected of the party to rub minds together and look at the possibility of how PDP is going to be in this position. So the Governor of Rivers State, recall recently, there was a court ruling that gave the leadership that dissolved the congresses that were held the recent past, and other leaders of the party were appointed from both local government to the state level. We came to appreciate the doggedness of the governor in ensuring that PDP is becoming more stabilized, and becoming more focused. Before this visit, we had earlier visited the governor of Bauchi State, the governor of Oyo State, and the governor of Bayelsa State. The essence of this visit is to assure Nigerians that PDP is coming together and PDP is getting set in trying to see that come May 2027, PDP takes over governance in Nigeria, not only at the federal level, but PDP captures more states. Another aspect of the visit is people are aware that recently there was a court of appeal ruling that gave Sir Udeh-Okoye, setting him as the secretary of the PDP. We have national secretary of the party. We are equally meeting these governors to assure them that majority of the members of the NWC are with Okoye as the national secretary of the party and will continue to work with him, and equally request the support and backing of the governors to accept this court of appeal judgment. As you are aware, up to this moment, there is no any court that set aside the ruling of the appeal court, and this is a case that does not have any stay of execution or whatever. So 14 of us, members of the NWC, are in agreement to work along with the present national secretary of the party